Welcome back to Middlefield Custom Sawmill. Today I wanted to give you just a little view of what I go through getting the log on the mill before I start the video. You see this log? Yeah, and then it's leaking something. I don't know what that is, but yuck. Yeah, it was heavier on one end when the water ran down to that end and it just tipped up. So anyway, today on the sawmill we have a locust log. I believe it to be a black locust. And we're going to cut 4x4s because I need some posts. Here, let me show you where I want to put these so you know what I'm doing. So behind my house I have this deck, and up under here I have a fixture for a light. I don't know if that shows on the camera, but there's a wire right there, and I want to put lights, you know those low voltage party lights? I want to put lights that are under there and that come out here and go above this part of the deck and swoop down from the house. And right here, I want to put a pole. Right there on that post, I'm going to put a pole. And over here, or down here, I'm not sure which, I'm going to put a second pole so I can wrap the lights around the side of the house here, all the way down. So those poles I'm cutting out of locust because it won't rot, and I'm just going to bolt them to the 4x4s that are there now that go down into the ground. See how these go down? So I can bolt to that, that's good and strong. And yeah, that's what I'm doing. First off, let's fix this mess. Kind of looks like Let's Dig 18 was moving this log. And it's got a hole right here. I don't know what's in there. It's probably rotted. I won't be able to get anything out of it. But you can't get locusts today. There's just none to be found around here. So I'm cutting this. We're only cutting 4x4s out of it, but check this out down here. Locust is such cool looking wood, isn't it? That's nice stuff. I've got big slabs like that for tables. Can't wait for them to dry. And there's the rest, and there's like a tiger stripe thing going on there. And there's the hole. We're about to get into it. I'm going to take a cut here, get some of this bark off, and then I'll roll it over. actually make a nice board. Well, it's not too bad. It doesn't go in all that far, so I'm going to roll it over. All right, next cut. Thick bark, one little chunk sitting on the bunk will mess up your whole cut. I mean, this stuff, see how fat that is. That was just way easier than moving it by hand. It's still pretty heavy. I threw some water on it just to show you a little bit what locust looks like. Some pretty stuff. I love the way it does all those curls. And then I'd never really seen straight locust before like that. It's not bad either. And down here, there's that hole. You can see that's pretty big, so that's going to ruin one of the 4x4s. And then there's the rest. Alright, here we go. Those are actual 4x4s. And then down here, you can see the hole turned out way bigger than it looked. Look at that. It's just horrible. So, I'll have to... That's 9 foot to there. On this one, I can get about 9.6. So 9 foot. If I start them a foot off the deck, they'll go up 10 foot and I can hook my lights on. So we got 4 4x4s over there with a rotten end. There's some nice boards here actually. There's a thick one, a thin one. I mean, you know, I'll get 4 footers. I'll cut that middle piece out, but there's some good boards in there, some firewood. So I think I got 4 boards, one from each side, and 4 4x4s. So I hope you enjoyed the video. It wasn't much of one, but I cut what I could out of it. So have fun. Thanks for watching.